Members, just want to bring up a few things that I was looking at. The first thing I wanted to look at was SpaceX. SpaceX had that bounce at 173 today. And looking at this bounce, you can easily play this as a support level if you're going to play options on this. You can look for bounces retesting to 173. You have this wick right here from 172 up to 178. This must hold. If this breaks, it's going to continue lower, but you can easily create an actual real stop loss based on this. If you focus on the 30-minute chart here, you can see clearly resistance, support, and now turning into support over here. I think the line in the sand, if you're going to make an entry, would be around $175 per share. Put your stop loss at 172 to 173. Look for the move back up higher to 194. Another thing I wanted to bring up, if you were trading, is Netflix. Netflix stock is down year to date over 30%. $108 all the way down, 30% on Netflix. This is an easy ROI right here to trade on. They have earnings coming up. What I would be doing is looking that you can easily buy in this zone. Your stop loss has to be below $75. Very easy way to trade into this. Yes, we are buying a fallen knife, but when you look at this on the 1 year, this is an easy swing trade in my eyes. If you have the capital to allocate to this, you could be watching this level and looking right here. 27 on the 1 year RSI. Just got to wait and see if we can get a positive catalyst. Buyers are coming in on Netflix around this $76 per share. It was scooped up pretty quick right here with this indecision candle. Let's see if we get a move all the way back up to at least $82 per share. Next, I would look at Meta stock. Meta stock is a little different. It's trying to hold right now this $558 level. But what you can do is you can look to short this if it bounces back up to $597 to $600 per share. I would be looking for pops into this and then rejecting lower. The same with Microsoft. If you're looking at Microsoft is trading below this resistance level at $385 per share. Like I said before, Microsoft has to reclaim $400. This was support. It rejected. You had support right here trying to hold up. Not once, not twice, and then it broke. So if we don't reclaim in the short term 380, you can look for shorts off of that if you want to be aggressive, if you want to look for an aggressive short. But if you want to look for a safer short, it's going to be that $400 level that I called out on Monday. And look at that move we got. We rejected Monday from 400, rejected 395 all the way down. That was 20-point move right there from Monday I was giving you. I'd be looking for that same rejection. It's got to break above 382. If it gets there, you're testing 390 and then 400. This needs a catalyst. Microsoft, just like Netflix, is down 21% on the year.